tree was like 93 people.
That fucker was bent in that wind.
First gust, it's not as bad.
No, it wasn't a first gust. It was just stationed at 90 degrees.
Yeah. Is that fast? Is that fast or slow? Yeah. Oh. How many miles an hour you said? 55? How fast did you say? Yeah, is that what you said? Yeah. Good. Faster move, faster get the hell out of here.
Faster we can get power, faster I can start downloading, faster we can start uploading, faster we can start playing Call of Duty.
I know they said there could be hail,
Faster I can charge my phone, faster my iPod won't die.
but it don't look like we're gonna have hail. 'Cause usually that's at the beginning.
Faster I can charge my camera back up. Oh look, there's people driving down the road.
Wow. My sister lost power too, and she never loses power. So then that means it's electric company will have to go down to those little places they got on her street. There's a couple little units down there. Yeah, I just filled a bucket of water, put water in the pitcher so I could brush my teeth. And Jake and I had to go out there and do that well again. Yeah, I went to go brush my teeth and I'm like, shit, I don't got no damn water. So I put a board under it. So when we were dropping it, we didn't kill ourselves. And
No, you didn't kill me.
and I told him, I said, let's just not even close it all the way. I mean, it's over the top, but it's just because we have to keep getting in there. And I tried to lift it myself and I couldn't do it. Trying to lift it, stick a board under it. You know, it only does it when it's humid and there's moisture in the air. Or I'm running my air conditioners or something. Because it never did it.
Whoa!
I only seem to do it like July or August in the hot months.
And I almost wanted to
But I don't
stop.
know if it just gets moisture build up in there. It's just getting dark by you. It's not raining yet. That strip by you wasn't as wide as the strip up here, though. Oh, it'll get dark. I mean, it looked like nighttime out there.
When it got dark like that, I turned off my computer.
I'm glad I was charging my phone.
I was scared.
I was like down to nothing.
Come on, lightning, strike
Yeah.
something, strike something. O great Thor, worship thee.
Well, I'll let you go. Are we on break? You hear that? Hey. Am I losing you? I know, I'm like, were you on break? Yes.
Ooh, it's lightning bolt.
Well, I'll let you go. Yeah? I'm here. Well, I'll let you go. And I'll call later after everything, the sun comes back out and stuff. When the sun comes back out. Alright, love you. Bye. Yeah, he said, didn't you get my text? I'm like, no. He says, I just texted him that. It got really dark here. And I said, well, you're going to get hit too. I ain't going to be able to call electric company till after the storm stops. So I'm going to have to go outside to do it.
We have an umbrella, but it's got a metal pointy
Yeah.
thing.
The phone keeps going on. See, if she would have had power, I would have went over there to get water and shit. I just hope they don't keep them up.
It's not like they have to travel through a shit ton of snow.
Yeah, like the 2 days before. You notice how it's not as windy now?
No, but
You don't want to keep opening the refrigerator either.
yeah, I can't make tea now either. Dumb.